Welcome back to Ask ADVANTUM, where we simplify business operations and answer your most important questions. Question 1. Do I really need business process automation? If you are spending hours on repetitive admin tasks, missing follow-ups, or constantly feeling overwhelmed, then yes, automation helps free up your time so you can focus on growing your business, not just managing it. Question 2. Will automation replace my team? Not at all. Automation is here to support your team, not replace them. It takes care of repetitive tasks so your people can focus on higher value work that truly drives results. Question 3. Is this expensive? It's best to think of automation as an investment. It saves time, reduces costly errors, improves efficiency, and in many cases, pays for itself faster than you'd expect. Question 4. Can you customize solutions for my business? Absolutely. Every ADVANTUM solution is tailored to your specific operations because no two businesses are the same and your system shouldn't be either. That's Ask ADVANTUM. Got a question? Drop it in the comments. We'd love to answer it next.